Liga 1 2019 antara Raja Papung FC melawan Alfa Putra. Di sebelah saya sudah ada perwakilan dari Raja Papung FC yaitu Coach Milan Petrovic dan pemain diwakili oleh Anthony Golek. Langsung saja, Coach Milan, finally, what's your statement about this game?
Selamat malam. Definitely we are very happy because we're waiting for that win a long time, and definitely we are very happy. But in that moment I must thanks all our players and the other guys who shared about that, and we must forget in that moment and prepare in 3 days we can really maybe a few words. Today we miss two very important players for us, Akbar and Vidal, and we don't have enough ideas to make situation for score the goal. But okay, after working on background and with power, with wish, with running, with all guys try to push the energy of the ground, and I'm very grateful for that, and normally we are very happy because we win.
Oke, intinya Coach sebenarnya sangat senang karena ini yang dulu cukup lama, beberapa kali karena kita telah menang dan akhirnya menang juga. Jadi terima kasih kepada seluruh pemain yang sudah bekerja keras di lapangan, dan sebenarnya ini merupakan kemenangan ini dan langsung fokus ke persiapan melawan Piracabo di next game. Meskipun tidak ada Akbar dan Vidal, pemain penting sempat kehilangan ide juga, tapi akhirnya dengan kerja keras tadi akhirnya tim kita bisa menang, dan itu yang sangat personal senang. For Golek, berarti your statement about the game today.
Yeah, look, for us this game was a special game for a few reasons. Obviously it was our first home win. Obviously the club and the fans have been waiting for that win, and we finally got it. It wasn't easy, but everyone worked hard and gave it their all. And obviously the other reason is for these two people on the shirt here, Antonio and Reza. Sorry for the name wrong. Obviously last week they passed away after the game, which is sad. So I guess this win was for them as well, and we played for those people, and we're saddened by that. But we hope this win brings much joy to the families and everyone else.
Oke, ini yang ditunggu-tunggu semua orang, termasuk supporter dan semuanya, dan ini tidak mudah. Jadi semuanya alasannya juga ini dipersembahkan untuk fans yang kemarin meninggal, Reza dan Antono. Jadi ya ini seharusnya bisa dirayakan untuk kita semua dan ini untuk semuanya. Oke, langsung aja, silakan ada pertanyaan. Kalau menang nggak ada pertanyaan.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.